Here is your key to a successful job interview. Hi friends, how are you? Tell me, would you like to get a key to a successful job interview? Have you ever tried to get a job only to get rejected time and again? You send hundreds of applications to different companies every day with hopes of a successful job interview. Your network as if your life depended on it. And still, no matter how many job interviews you go to, they all end up the same way. With the dreaded, "we will call you back." A successful job interview is some distance away. Every day that passes without a job is another day where your family's future is at stake. Only solution is having a successful job interview. Wait, that's exactly what happened to one of my friends. You might relate to his story. His social network got him a job with great benefits, as if it came out of a successful job interview. He was also a father of two and had a lot of responsibilities to take care of. Then coronavirus locked the markets and pushed people indoors. Worse, one day he was asked to leave the company. The outcome of so-called successful job interview vanished. The company packed off many staff, saying markets are closed, sales have dried up, there is no production and therefore no jobs. At first, he wasn't much worried about it. After all, he had a degree from a prestigious university and 5 years of experience as a supervisor. So he thought it wouldn't be so hard to find another job. He was waiting to have a successful job interview. But time passed and nothing happened. No interview calls, no successful job interview. He applied for a number of different roles, all without success. He attended many interviews but no successful job interview. Everywhere he got rejected with different reasons. You are overqualified, you are underqualified, the company didn't need this position filled anymore. The market was limited. The company justified through various reasons. 6 months passed without a job. A successful job interview was still eluding, and in the meantime, bills started stacking over. My friend's savings started drying up. Then the worst thing happened. One day when he got home with his wife and children, he saw a card pasted on the main door. It was a notice from the bank demanding 6 months' unpaid installments on account of mortgage within 90 days, and if he didn't catch up, they would take back the house. It means he had 3 months at the most to find a new job and clear their bank dues. In case of failure, his family would be homeless. That's when he hit rock bottom. A successful job interview was unthinkable. Where was he supposed to get the money to clear the big debt? Around that time, we met after a long time. He blamed the coronavirus for his problems, but also regretted the ease with which he got the job without so much as a successful job interview appearance. He wondered why he didn't learn any special skills. At that time, there was not enough demand for his role in the market. So, trying to get a job in this field wasn't the solution. A successful job interview was not likely in his field, and he was a shy guy. Having a large network but without interview, we know no one will give you a job these days. It looked a successful job interview was going away from me. So I explained to him, pattern of interviews have changed due to coronavirus. Interviews are now held over 3 to 4 sessions, and each session is headed by a different interviewer. So to successfully come through 3 to 4 job interview sessions require many skills. Dress sense, smartness, knowledge, body language, psychology, confidence, manners, etc. are all added together before saying yes or no. I gave him my master key to unlock any door for completing the job interview successfully. I told him to follow my advice if he wanted to get out of that situation for a successful job interview. And he followed my suggestion, revised the interview basics, then rehearsed the key. He put his heart and soul into polishing the interview skills. What happened next was nothing but amazing. What usually takes 6 months to learn, my friend did it in 3 months. And because he rehearsed and rehearsed, he didn't just get a new job. He got 4. He had 4 successful job interviews. Out of those, he chose to join a big accounting company, a six-figure job. Shortly after, he was able to pay for his mortgage in full. A few days back when we met, he was already thinking about selling that house and buying a new one. He credited me for giving him the key to having successful job interviews. And today, I want to put in your hands the same key that my friend used to achieve so fast. To achieve that successful job interview skills, click the link given in the description. That way, you will master new skills in half the time. So make sure to learn how to master successful job interview skills in half the time and not have to worry about money ever again. Here is wishing you a satisfying job after a successful interview. This video presentation contains some images under the Creative Commons license. Best Vinay. A special request: if you found the video useful, please subscribe it, like it, and share among your friends.